My dear students of class 4, I am going to start unit 10, name of units angles, brain teasers. Question number 7. Look at the given figure and answer the following. Question number A. How many acute angles are there? In this figure, the angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. There is only one acute angle, that is angle D, because angle D is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So angle D is acute. Answer: one acute angle. Question number B. How many obtuse angles are there? For the solution of this question, we write, there are two obtuse angles. They are angle A and angle B. Both angle A and B lie between 90 degree and 180 degree. So both angle A and angle B are obtuse. So number of obtuse angles 2. This is the answer of question number B. Now question number C. How many right angles are there? For the solution of this question, we write, there is only one right angle, that is angle C. Here angle C is exactly equal to 90 degree. So angle C is a right angle. Number of right angle is 1. This is the answer of question number C. Now question number D. Is angle ABC an acute angle? This angle ABC an acute angle? No. Angle ABC is not an acute angle. It is obtuse angle because it lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Answer: no. Question number E. Angle DCB equals to 90 degree. Here angle DCB, here it is a symbol of right angle and it is 90 degree. This is the answer of question number E. Question number 8. Look at the letter and complete the table. Letter A. It has 3 acute angles. Number of acute angles 3. Why? Because here is acute angle, here is acute angle and here is acute angle. So number of acute angles 3. Obtuse angle, this angle is obtuse, this angle is obtuse. So number of obtuse angles 2. And number of right angles in this letter A 0. In the letter F, the number of acute angles 0, number of obtuse angles 0, number of right angles 3. Here 190 degree here right angle, here is one right angle, and this line perpendicular to this line, here is one right angle. This line perpendicular to this one right angle. This small line segment is perpendicular to this small line segment. Here is one right angle. And this big line segment is perpendicular to this. Here is another right angle. So there are 3 right angles in the letter F. Now in the letter Y. Number of acute angles only 1. This was acute angle. Number of obtuse angles, there are 2 obtuse angles, this angle and this angle, 2 obtuse angles, and number of right angles 0. This is the answer of question number 8. Now question number 9. The hour hand and minute hand of a clock are making an angle of 90 degree with each other. The time is what o'clock and here is what o'clock. For the solution of this, we write the minute hand, the time that the hour hand and minute hand of a clock are making an angle of 90 degree with each other is here 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. The figure 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock are given below. Here we see at 3 o'clock, the minute hand just in front of 12 and hour hand just in front of 3. These two arms, this hour hand and minute hand, make a right angle. Similarly, here at 9 o'clock, hour hand in front of 9 and minute hand in front of 12. These two hands make an angle of 90 degree here. So 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, here we feel in the given question where there the hour hand and minute hand make an angle of 90 degree. This is the answer of question number 9. Now question number 10. Name all the angles in the given figure. This figure we write name of all the angles in the given figure are angle AOB, angle BOC and angle AOC. This is the answer of question number 10. Question number 11. Compare using greater than, less than or equal to. Question number A. Acute angle and obtuse angle. What is the symbol we fill here? For the solution of this question we write acute angle lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, but obtuse angle lies between 90 degree and 180 degree. So acute angle is less than obtuse angle. This answer is less than. We fill here less than. This is the answer of question number A. Now question number B. Right angle, obtuse angle. Which sign we fill here? For the solution of this question we write right angle is exactly equal to 90 degree, whereas obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So right angle is less than obtuse angle. Here we fill less than. Answer is less than. This is the answer of B of question number 11. Question number C. A straight angle, two right angle. What we fill here? So for the solution of this question we write a straight angle equals to 180 degree and two right angles equals to 2 into 90 degree. One right angle 1 into 90, two right angles 2 into 90. 2 into 90 180 degree. So a straight angle is equal to two right angles. So we fill here equal to. This is the answer of question number C of question number 11. This is the last question today. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you. Thank you very much.